You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Nollywood actress Mosúnmọ́lá Filani Ojoye is a year older on 5th July, and she decided to celebrate her birthday by sharing new gorgeous photos of herself. Sharing the photos, the mother of two wrote,
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. Thanks.